Hey, what's up guys? This is a 2017 Hyundai Tucson, and I just wanted to show you guys how to remove and replace the HVAC module over here. Okay, first of all, where do we grab it? Push that back over here. It looks like you start, you can see the seam right here. You start prying. I made that mistake, but this is part of the HVAC module. It comes in one set right here, this trim piece and the HVAC module. See it right here. You started seeing me start prying it off, and I wanted to make the video so anybody else doing the same job, it's not gonna make the same mistake as I did. So we're gonna have to go through one corner over here. I try to use these plastic removal trims tools. I got them at Harbor Freight or whatnot. So let's see if I can get this. So got this right here. Let me get this one. And I just pretty much get that. There we go. Probably won't edit this. Just trying to do everything with one hand. Man. Anyways, disconnect this. You got two trim screws right here. And then right here, I need some lighting, but anyways, those are the two screws. Anyways, I'm gonna put this back together. I don't want to waste any more time, but there's only two screws. This thing pulls back. Yank it back, and there's three disconnects over here, bulk connectors. This just pulls, pretty much just yank forward, pull out the connectors, yank out, and put the new ones in. Well, anyways, please like, subscribe, any comments, please put down at the bottom. This is just a short video on how to remove the HVAC module. Thank you very much.